everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm with the lovely Emma, and she has actually modelled for me before, but was it about 5 years ago, Em? Literally 5 years ago, so it's been a while. We're going to show you today a super quick, easy bun. You could do it for wedding, bridal, wedding guests, meal out with friends. I think you're going to love it. Okay, so I've just decided, guys, to leave down these bits just to frame Emma's face here, but that is completely optional. Now I'm just going to take a slice of hair from the side. I'm allowing this hair to kind of sweep across, so I've not kind of lifted it up like that. Okay, so I just want this piece of hair just to sweep across here. I'm going to do the same on the other sides. So we're just combining these two sections together, and I'm just going to pop in an elastic, or you could use a hair tie. And then just take hold of the end and go towards the head and just flip it through like that. And then going to kind of readjust it, make it come a little bit lower. And I'm also going to hold on to that centre and just tease outwards. And I'm also just going to come into the centre and just give a little bit of depth to the style just by teasing outwards. Next, I'm going to deal with this bottom bit of hair here. So I'm going to take the centre ponytail, just divide it into two, and we're just going to do an ordinary braid. And again, you can just tease this braid out a little bit. And again, guys, just do exactly the same on this side. Quick braid. Next, you're just going to grab hold of one little braid and we're just going to tuck it through here. And then going to get hold of a long hairpin. Now, I'm just going to go straight through that braid, go up a tiny bit and then back down. Same on this side, guys. Grab that braid and just tuck. Okay guys, so this is like the side angle. As you can see, it's nice and sweepy, but I'm also just going to kind of go into this style and just do some pulling out and any more pinning that I feel like I need to do. So I've purposely just left out a few little bits just on the neckline here, and I'm just going to give these a really quick curl. So that is my easy updo finished. What did you think? Do you think it was easy? I'm going to do a little spin so you can see from all angles. So thanks so much for watching. I really enjoyed reading all your comments, so please keep them coming in. I am going to be continuing to do my own hair with the fine thin hair sort of playlist that I've been doing. So don't forget to check those out, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.